Hi everyone, look at this code. What do you think this program prints? So it's a typical for loop, right? So you can see it starts from a start value and it has to run till end value. By the way, what are the start and end values? You can see here. So the end value has been defined the maximum value of the integer and starts just 100 less than the end value. So you can clearly see that the loop runs for 100 times and each time count is incremented starting from 0. So it has to print 100, right? And if you see, it's not a typical for loop. So you can see it also includes equal symbol. So it has to print 101, right? So let us verify that. But to our surprise, if you observe, it prints nothing, right? So it displays nothing. So what's going on here? Before knowing the reason, please subscribe to the channel. So let's stop this program. We know it is running infinite times, right? So what's happening here? To know that, we need to know the values, integer maximum value and integer minimum value. So this is the maximum value of an integer. And the value here, you can see, right? So this is the minimum value of an integer. Now, let's go into the loop. So it starts with the start, that is 100 less than this number, maximum value. Fine. So it runs till the end value. So if you observe, it also includes equals, right? So till the I value becomes this number, integer max value, that is fine. So once it reaches that, again, so I is incremented. So when we add a 1 to this value, the maximum integer value, so then the value becomes the integer min value, which again makes the condition true. So again, the count gets increased. And from this value, so it goes on runs till it is equal to the end value, that is maximum value. Again, what happens when it is incremented, it becomes a min value. So this is continuous, and that's the reason loop went infinite, right? So how do we fix this? It's simple. So we just need to modify the loop index type to a next larger type. So from int, I'm going to modify this to the long type. Now it should print the expected value. Let's verify it. Yep. So you can see here, so it just prints 101, the expected value, right? So as a best practice, whenever you use an integral types like byte, short, char, int, and long, always be aware of the boundary conditions. So it's always best to use the larger type. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.